क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? डू यू वॉन्ट टू से समथिंग? डू यू वॉन्ट टू से समथिंग? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. उसे ताला तोड़ना पड़ेगा. He will have to break the law. He will have to break the law. बच्चों का आधा टिकट लगता है. Children travel half fare. Children travel half fare. तुम खामखा परेशान हो रहे हो. You are stressed for no reason. You are stressed for no reason. किसान ये बीज कभी नहीं बाएंगे. The farmers will not sow these seeds. The farmers will not sow these seeds. मेरी दादी कहानियां सुना रही थी. My grandmother was telling stories. My grandmother was telling stories. वो अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाई. She couldn't control her tears. She couldn't control her tears. वह क्या करेगा पता नहीं. What he will do is not decided. What he will do is not decided. यह आपकी दुआओं के कारण हुआ. It's because of your good wishes. It's because of your good wishes. बात करके अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time by talking. Don't waste your time by talking. आपको नौकरी से हटाया जाता है. You are dismissed from the job. You are dismissed from the job. ऐसी चीज मैं भी नहीं खाता. I don't eat such things either. I don't eat such things either. न खुद करते हो न करने देते हो. Neither you do yourself nor let do. Neither you do yourself nor let do. इसी बात पर तो हमारे बीच झगड़ा हुआ. That's what we had a dispute on. That's what we had a dispute on. कोई तो दोषी है, तुम या मैं. Someone is to blame, either you or I. Someone is to blame, either you or I. वो अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है. He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. मैंने वही तो उस अजनबी को देखा था. That's where I had seen that stranger. That's where I had seen that stranger. उस पर पैसे चोरी करने का इल्जाम है. He is accused of stealing money. He is accused of stealing money. आप वास्तव में एक विनम्र व्यक्ति है. You are indeed a generous person. You are indeed a generous person. दिन ब दिन हालत खराब होती जा रही है. Things are deteriorating day by day. Things are deteriorating day by day. मैंने अनजाने में आपका दिल दुखाया. I hurt you unknowingly. I hurt you unknowingly. रसोई से एक ग्लास लेकर आओ. Bring a glass from the kitchen. Bring a glass from the kitchen. ऊपर के रूम से बोतल लेके आओ. Bring the bottle from the room upstairs. Bring the bottle from the room upstairs. मेरा मन हो रहा है कि मैं खाना खा लूं. I'm feeling like eating the food. I'm feeling like eating the food. वो तो अपनी पब्लिसिटी करेगा ही. He will obviously do his publicity. He will obviously do his publicity. ऐसा राहुल के साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it happen only with Rahul? Why does it happen only with Rahul? ऐसे में हम कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Where can we go in this situation? Where can we go in this situation? वो भी क्या दिन थे कसम से. How beautiful days were really. How beautiful days were really. क्या हो अगर वो तुम्हारा दिल तोड़ दे तो? What if he breaks your heart? What if he breaks your heart? मैंने बहुत कोशिश की पर सब बेकार। I tried a lot but all in vain. I tried a lot but all in vain. वो शायद ही कभी मुझसे मिल पाए। I don't think if he could ever meet me. I don't think if he could ever meet me. आपकी चंपलें उल्टी पड़ी हुई है। Your slippers are lying upside down. Your slippers are lying upside down. मेरे पास केवल 3 छुट्टियां हैं। I have only 3 leaves in my credit. I have only 3 leaves in my credit. भाग्य के सामने कोई नहीं टिक सकता। Nobody can stand against fate. Nobody can stand against fate. तुम गरीबों पर दया नहीं करते। You don't show pity on the poor. You don't show pity on the poor. उसने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा? What wrong has he done to you? What wrong has he done to you? मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will leave no stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned. जो हो रहा है होने दो। Let happen whatever is going on. Let happen whatever is going on. यादें आज भी धुंधली नहीं हुई है। Memories are not yet vanished. Memories are not yet vanished. आप भी क्या इंसान हो सच में। How great a person you are, really. How great a person you are, really. हमने आज बाहर डिनर किया। We took dinner outside today. We took dinner outside today. तुम्हें अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए। You should confess your fault. You should confess your fault. मैं तुम्हारी तारीफ कर रहा था। I was admiring you. I was admiring you. वहां जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use to go there. It's no use to go there. वो मेरी सलाह नहीं मानता। He doesn't act on my advice. He doesn't act on my advice. मैं ये दिल से करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do it wholeheartedly. I want to do it wholeheartedly. मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई की पर सब बेकार। I studied a lot but all in vain. I studied a lot but all in vain. अगर वो आपकी बात न माने तो? What if he doesn't obey you? What if he doesn't obey you? What did they